What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Monday. So today we're taking a look at Revell's VW Golf GTI. So let's go in the box, see what's in the box, open it up, see what comes inside, and take a bit more detail later on. Alright, the first thing we're going to look at is a decal sheet. A pretty sized, decent decal sheet for this. You got multiple license plates. You got gauge decals, the stripes that goes on the side of the car. Very cool. You got patterns for your seats for the interior. Very cool. Decent sized decal sheet. Super cool. You can get two clear part trees. This small one contains your main windshield, your headlights, and your indicators. This bigger one contains your rear window, and your side windows, and your tail lights. Pretty cool. Very high quality clear. I need to get 4 sets of tiny little tires, and tread pattern is pretty decent. There we go. And no name brand, and very soft vinyl. Very cool. Alright, first bag of gray molded parts contains this tree contains most of your chassis parts. So most of your suspension and brakes. Very detailed. Your bumpers here. Gauge cluster, windshield wipers. License plate frames and your main chassis. Very detailed. Very cool. Right, this little guy contains your engine. A really tiny engine. Very cool. Nice detail. The hosings on that. Super crisp detail on this. And then you get your Volkswagen emblems for your wheels, hubcaps. Your tiny Volkswagen emblem right there is pretty neat. And then your tiny little grill. Super cool. Your wheel backs and your one-part exhaust. Super cool. The last one in this bag has your interior pan or bucket, hood, and the rest of your chassis parts. Bottom of your engine. Your engine bay, that's pretty cool, it's molded separate, so you can paint it whatever color you choose to do so. Your electric fan. Super cool. Alright, the second bag of more parts. This contains most of your interior parts and chassis on one. Door panels look fantastic. Mirrors. Here's your rear taillight assembly. Your wheels. And you do get left and right hand drive option for dashboards, which is a very good plus. Very nice detail. Just identical, just different sides. Radio, I mean, very nice detail in that dashboard. Alright, this one has your bumpers. Very cool. And your steering wheel. Alright, then the last tree over here has your engine parts. It's a very nice detail, really high quality detail. Back of your interior backings, seat backings. And here's your bucket seat, goes in the back. Main seats, super detailed. You definitely do a two-tone, or go ahead and use the decals that provides in the kit. And a separate headliner, which is super awesome. Very cool. Alright, last thing being in the kit is obviously going to be your little Golf body. Super tiny little car, but yet super popular back in the 80s and 70s. Super cool. Got some bracing here, you guys nip off, but not too big of a deal. I mean, a very clean line. You can paint these fenders like originally black back then. I don't think I didn't see anything on a detail sheet, but you can easily mask it off, paint those fenders black, or keep body color. But very clean. I definitely would scrub the panel lines out just a tad bit more, but other than that, it's fantastic. Mold lines, your typical ones, goes onto the back tailgate, and then yes, there's one on your fenders. So your typical mold lines, nothing too major, easy to stand those out. But the whole body is fantastic, very well molded. And your headliner, as you saw, is molded separately, so that's pretty neat. Super awesome and super cool little tiny car this is. Very, very cool. So after taking a very good look at this kit, guys, I really do recommend it. This is such a popular kit from Revell. Revell actually do make a couple versions of this kit with different decals and different liveries. And this is the basic version. This is the first version that came out. But like I said, there's multiple versions of this Volkswagen Golf. Go out there and do your research and see which one you want. This is, like I said, it's the basic version, and it's a super cool car. You can really do. I'll probably put everything with this. You can put on some aftermarket wheels. You can slam it down. People do all kinds of stuff with this car. I mean, it's a super awesome, tiny little front-wheel drive car with the engine. It's a very awesome kit from Revell, and people will love it because it's super highly detailed, and the interior is very detailed. The whole kit is all detailed. Every single part in this kit is highly detailed. No flash, hardly little cleanup, and this kit, you know, is a super cool car. So I really do recommend you pick one up if you can find one. They're a little hard to find, but go out there and just look up Revell Golf. I'm sure you'll find one on eBay or somewhere. I'm not sure if I can find one in the link. If I do, I'll definitely provide one in the link in the description to the hobby shop like I normally do. But if I can't find one, like I said, go on Amazon or eBay, and I'm pretty sure you'll find one for a decent price. But like I said, I do recommend it, and it's a very cool kit and very cool car all in one. So But until my next Unbox Monday, and until my next video, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.